What's behind the black bee? She's Apis mellifera mellifera, and her unaltered species is over 1 million years old. She survived ice ages, droughts, and fierce, windy climates. What's behind her resilience? She's darker and stronger than other bees. She continually adapts to her environment, shaped by the blustery conditions she battles through. What's behind her role in nature? She's a master pollinator, flying up to 3 kilometers and visiting up to 1,000 flowers a day. An endangered keystone species that defines her ecosystem. What's behind her potent honey? As nature's alchemist, she extracts the most out of her environment, creating one of the most elaborate honeys in the world. Her power fuels every drop of Abeille Royale Youth Watery Oil Serum. The black bee is behind it all.